Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot with the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. And for that we will need the buttons for. So the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. After, if you tap here on the editing symbol, you are also able to draw something inside or to highlight something. Or if you want, you can also crop a part here of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture a picture from a website or someone's WhatsApp status and so on. And after, you can share this edited part directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on, or with the arrow, you can send it directly to your gallery. And apropos gallery, where are the screenshots? Of course, you're at the gallery. And the pictures, they are mixed up here with the camera photos. This is why I recommend to you to go on the albums, because here the screenshots have their own folder only for your screenshots. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for all your support. And maybe until next time. Ciao.